Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'd like to share a few tips on how to build your capsule wardrobe if you have a long torso and short legs. So let's transform this outfit. First, I'll go for a V-neck top that I will tuck in high-waisted pants. V neckline lengthens the neck area, providing the illusion of more length on the body overall, while a high-waisted pants help raise your waistline, elongate your body, and create the illusion of longer legs and a taller frame. And I think this outfit looks much better already. Another way to add a few inches to your height and elongate your legs is to wear high heels. If it's a pointed toe shoes, it's even better, since it will help lengthen the body. Just make sure it matches the color of the pants you are wearing. I often go for monochromatic outfits. In fact, wearing the same color from head to toe can create a streamlined look and make you appear taller. Other than that, it also helps me dress much faster, since I don't have to spend time matching my clothes. For an experiment, let's put together another outfit, styling a mid-rise pants. Consider accenting where your body naturally tapers. Show off your neckline and ankles, or add a belt to show off your waist. A nude shoe can give the illusion of extra length. It brings the eye upward, and if you opt to wear a heel, you can give yourself a few extra inches. And if you're not into heels, that's absolutely fine. Flats will give you a similar effect. Just make sure the color matches your skin tone. Look for vertical lines. For example, skirts and dresses with panels or pleats will do a great job. Dark colored tops will help you draw attention away from your upper body. While it's better to go for a crop or short jacket, I think that with a high-waisted dress that has vertical lines like this one, you can opt for an elongated blazer if it feels right. When choosing a dress, keep in mind that it should define your waistline and flare out. For this reason, A-line and fit flare dresses will do a great job. And if you're struggling to find the right size, opt for a tailored dress that will be made to your body measurements, in line with your body proportions, and highlight the best in you. So I designed my perfect dress with dress art online, and I'm so happy about the result. To make the legs look long, go for dresses that hit at your knee or slightly above. The more leg that shows, the taller you will appear. Look for an empire waist dresses. The elongated skirts make you appear taller. Hold the neck to the same job and look flattering on a petite figure. When it comes to jackets, opt for crop or short ones that will sit at your waistline, and pair them with high-waisted bottoms for a balanced and flattering look. If you have a long torso, be careful with horizontal stripes, as they can make you appear shorter and wider. However, if you do love horizontal stripes, check the items that have a V-neck line, that are short or crop, and in a shade darker than your bottoms. Since the main idea is to shorten the appearance of the torso, elongated blazers might not be a good choice, as well as jackets with wide lapels. Be careful with the shoes with ankle straps, as they can visually cut off your legs and make them appear shorter. However, I do think that if the shoes matches your skin tone or they're a neutral color, it might still work. So don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and see what makes you more confident. I hope you guys find these tips useful, and if so, please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, and it will mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.